Greetings, 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 greetings. I hope all is well. This is Coach T on my walk and talk for Freedom Friday. Listen, guys, freedom is not free. We are free, but freedom is not free. It takes us having law enforcement, law agents, FBIs, marshals, police officers, sheriffs. It takes an effort to be free. It takes us having military people, the Army, the Navy, the Marines, the Coast Guard, the Airmen, to help support freedom. It takes us having congressmen, legislators. It takes basically councilmen to be free. So guys, what I'm saying is, if you want freedom, it takes effort, it takes commitment, it takes dedication, it takes procedures, it takes policies, it takes effort. That's the bottom line, guys. So freedom is not free, and if you want freedom, you have to put in the effort. You got to put in the work. You got to do what it takes to get that freedom. And then you got to do it over and over again to maintain and keep the freedom. So what I'm saying in my head and what I'm trying to say out loud is, God got something inside of you called your purpose. And until you're doing your purpose on a daily basis, you will never feel free. You always feel trapped and like something you're missing. And you are. You're missing taking action on the purpose of why you're on this earth. And we all have a purpose within this earth. We all on this earth with a mission. Now, we don't have a personal mission that we're supposed to be just pointing out ourselves. We have a God-sent, a divine mission. He put you on this earth for a reason. You have to take action and go forward with it. But if you need help figuring out what that mission is, get on my schedule, investingnow2021.com, and let's talk about it. Let's see if we can get down to your number one mission. And let's see if we can at least scratch the surface of it. And then we may have to have another talk to see if we can get deeper into it. But the whole goal is, while we to be great, hey, we got a mission while we're not taking action on it. And then invest now, grow your future, take daily steps every day towards it. One of my things that I do personally, right, is I walk 1 mile a day. That's a personal mission that I'm having for myself so that I can be fit, right, to do God's mission, my divine mission, right? In order to be able to do something, you have to put in the effort and the time and the season. While I do my 1 mile a day, I do walking talks. Now I'm doing my purpose. My purpose is to inspire, motivate, and encourage. That's what God put me on this earth to do, inspire, motivate, and encourage. And I have to take action on that daily. So if I'm taking action on it daily with my 1 mile a day, my fit message, say, hey, I need to be fit to do God's work. Then I'm over here committed to doing the conversation and then doing the research and doing the study. Then I'm committed to going to school to get smarter in things and educated things so that I can be able to support what I'm doing and be able to give real information. Hey, how you doing? So at the end of the day, 1 mile a day walk is for my heart. It's for me to get out and do my mission, speak. Whether anybody listens to it or not, it doesn't matter. That's my purpose. I feel fulfilled. I feel like I got some completed day. I don't feel like I held back by doing it. Then after that, hey, I go do my homework, do my research, study, read, learn more information. And I keep packing it in. I don't share everything I'm saying. I share certain things I'm saying that day. I share what comes up and comes out. But I'm free to do that because I'm taking action on my action. I'm taking action on my purpose. I'm taking action on my goals. I'm taking action, period. So guys, that's why we have all these different agencies in place so that United States of America can maintain their freedom. Guess what? You are a state of mind. You are a continent. You are a God itself. You are something that have to control you and maintain you and go forward. You should have a mission. You are an individual continent. You are an individual state. You are an individual God. Because it says, I made you in my likeness and in my image. My likeness, to me, that's saying that, hey, I am a form of you. And if you believe in God, and he made you after him, he or she, no gender, right? No gender in God, right? The divine purpose made you with a purpose, and it made you for a purpose. Now go fulfill it. That's the bottom line. Just go fulfill your purpose. Start taking action today if you ain't. If you need help, investingnow2021.com. Book a call with me. Let's get on my schedule. You can always go through my healthy habits. You can always go through all my walking talks, Why Wait to Be Great, Investing Now 2021. You got so many YouTube channels. Just look at one of them. Coach G, Why Wait to Be Great. Invest Now, Great Future. Like, share, subscribe.